very first thing which we're supposed to check, we have to check if any numerator we can reduce with any denominator. Okay, we have 123 and I have 3. 123 is divisible by 3 and 3 is also divisible by 3. 123 divided by 3 is 41. Okay, because 40 times 3 is 120 and 1 times 3 is 3, that's why I have 123. Okay, now take a look, we can reduce 144 and 24 by 24 because 144 is divisible by 24 and 24 is divisible by 24. 144 divided by 24 is 6 times 24 divided by 24 is 1. 3 divided by 3 is 1. Anytime we multiply fractions, we have to multiply numerator by numerator and denominator by the denominator. 41 times 1 is 41. 6 times 1 is 6. Okay, this is example of the improper fraction. Anytime we have improper fraction, okay, we prefer to convert this to the mixed number by dividing numerator by the denominator. So 41 over 6. How many times 6 goes into 41? It goes 6 times. 6 times 6 is 36. Subtract is equal 5. Okay, so my answer is 6 and 5 sixths. Remember, the top number goes to the front, remainder goes to the numerator, and divisor goes to the denominator. That's why my answer is 6 and 5 sixths.